13th problem, 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are the 200 logs are placed, and how many logs are in the top row? So we have to find how many rows are there, and in the last row how many logs are present. So they have given the total number of logs is equals to 200. In the first row they have placed 20 logs. Now let us solve this. So given total logs, so total logs is equals to 200, and the number of logs they have placed in the first row is 20. So number of logs stacked in first row is equals to 20. Number of logs stacked in second row. So the number of logs they have placed in the second row is 19 as they have given in the question. Next, number of logs stacked in third row is equals to 18 up to so on. So the series will be, the number series will be is 20, 19, 18 up to so on is an AP. So this is an AP. So where the first term is A1 is equals to 20. Common difference is D is equals to A2 minus A1. That is A2 is 19 minus 20. So D is equals to 19 minus 20 is minus 1. Next, we know the sum Sn. Sum of logs is 200. And we know the formula. Sn formula is Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As we know the Sn, sum of all logs is 200. So we can write 200 is equals to n by 2, 2a, a is 20 plus n minus 1 into d, d is minus 1. 2 into 200, that is 400 is equals to n into 220 are 40 plus into minus 1 into n minus into minus plus 1. 400 is equals to 40 plus 1 is 41. 41 minus n. So 400 is equals to 41n. 41 into n is 41n minus n into n square. Now bring this, send this 41n and minus n square to that side. It will become n square minus 41n plus 400 is equals to 0. Now let us factorize this. If we multiply the first term and the last term, we will get 400n square, and the middle term is minus 41n. We have to think about two such numbers such that if we multiply those two numbers, we should get 400n square, and if we add or subtract, we should get minus 41n. So for that, for finding that number, let us take out the factors. So we can go with 2 table as well as 4 table. So 2 2s are 4, 2 hundreds are, 2 50s are, 2 25s. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So it is 16 and 25. 16 plus 25 is 41 and 16 into 25 is 400. So here we can write 16 and 25 and as it is minus and we are adding, that's why we will put minus sign for both of them. Now let us substitute minus 41 in place of minus 41 n, we will substitute minus 16 n minus 25 n. So n square minus 16 n minus 25 n plus 400 is equals to 0. N will be common, so n minus 16 minus 25 n minus 16 is equals to 0. So n minus 16 will be common and n minus 25 is equals to 0. Here we can compare this with 0. So n minus 16 is equals to 0 and n minus 25 is equals to 0. Send this 16 to that side. It will become n is equals to 16, n is equals to 25. N is equals to 16 and n is equals to 25. So therefore, here we cannot take 25. Why? There can't be 25 rows as we are starting with 20 rows, 20 logs in first column, first row. So in first row we have placed 20 logs. So how many rows are there? 25 rows will not be there as we are starting with 20 logs. That's why therefore the number of rows is equals to 16.